Nizim Africa, sanibonani, dumelang, apsheni, and hello, this is Dr. Oti, Kehla Lama Kehla, the Oracle of God. Ngisuke endaweni yase Zimbabwe, ngisuke endaweni yase Malawi. Bengihambile ngeMalawi, ngiyolanda into zokuphila ukuthi izosiza abantu. Mamela ngwaneso, I want to tell you ukuthi uma uhambile osemazweni angaphandle is not just a simple thing ukuthi ngiyahamba ngeZimbabwe ngiyabuya, ngiyahamba ngeMalawi ngiyabuya. Uma uhambile uye ngaphandle. Number 1, death can visit you at any time. Death can visit you at any time. Why am I saying this? On my trip to Malawi, I went there. Kumiqiniswe Malawi, I didn't get anything. Angitholanga lutho. Le khehla ebekade ngilihamba la seMalawi, ngithole selishonile. Fine kulungileke. Kuthiwa umkhulu ushone earlier this year around something like Feb to March. Wow. So umkhulu ashona, but niyazi ukuthi there's been more than 15 years ngihamba le ndawo. But you couldn't just contact me ukuthi ngenze njani. Ngenze njani, but you know, ushe impande nekhehle linye uzibani bani. Okay, fine, kulungileke. Ngiye lapho ke ngaqeda ngahamba ngazela kuphi eZimbabwe. Mamela Zimbabwe wetsathini. EZimbabwe, when I say umuhambile uyokhendla, kubatla nkuthu, death can visit you at any time. Death can visit you at any time. This is something kumuluzwe kahle. Uma ngifike eZimbabwe, bengigibele ibooth yesithathu. The first booth, umuntu wakhona uvele nje kwaba kuyikuthi umuntu ulunywa icrocodile right on spot. Phambi kwabantu nobani. But luckily enough, there were boys there near the port. Bagijima ngenduku, motho wakhona rathusahale. Hashwa, ulukile. Kunama animals are poisonous in a way that I can't even mention. Like what happened to Mukoko Manzini, may she rest in peace. Naye uthi mase Tanzania alunywa into enyaweni. Bengazi nokwazi. Ngiyazi manje ukuthi naye mase Tanzania kunento emlumile. So I'm trying to say to you, umuhambile uvisitela ama country lawa ngaphandle, kuba nobunzima obakhona. So, namhlanje bakwethu on Dr. Oti Chill Zone, inyanga yompeli TV and all the social media platforms engilandela kuzo. Ngwaneso mamela. I am presenting to you Cash Loans Oil. Cash Loans Oil. Cash Loans Oil. Ilento yokuthi nginayo namhlanje engize ngayo. This Cash Loans Oil kubatla mamelo wethala. How does it work? Isiza umuntu ngani? Iyenzela umuntu ini? Isebenza umuntu ekutheni uma kwenzakala ini? Mamela ngwaneso wethala. This Cash Loans Oil umisebenza. Number 1, you apply it on all your bank cards. You apply it on all your bank cards. This Cash Loans Oil, what you do, ubuya futhi uyigcobise ugeze imoto yakho noma uwashe imoto yakho. Leyo moto yakho eyukuthi uyayibona ukuthi it's on a verge of being repossessed. It's on a verge of being repossessed. This Cash Loans Oil, what you do, uyayifaka ngaphakathi, hawufuse kinyakahari, bese uwasha leyo moto yakho ngayo. Umuzi wakho lo ukuthi uyabona ukuthi at any time ungathathwa. You take this oil, ufake emanzini, uyachela. Lama credit cards wakho wonke la ubonayo ukuthi this credit cards of mine ngempela dark or blue ngitloke namathatimo. Last and blacklist because of this thing. Last so what you do, you apply this cash loans oil kuyo. But I'm sincerely telling you an honest truth. It is only the anointing that you respect which will bless you. The anointing of which you don't respect will never bless you. Meaning, if you respect my anointing, you respect my anointing, you support my anointing, uzokwazi usizakala. I can travel all these countries. I can go wherever la uNkulunkulu angangisa khona, kwanhliziyo ndise, kwamoya ndise, kwabani. But if you don't respect what God has bestowed in me, lebala ngwaneso, lebala, there is nothing of which I can do for you. There is nothing of which I can do for you. There is really nothing of which I can do for you. The only thing is ukusiza, ungahamba inyanga, ungahamba umprofeti, ungahamba inkonzo. Le nkonzo yahambayo, you must make sure ukuthi you respect i-anointing efaka kuleyo nkonzo leyo, you respect i-anointing ebeke kulowo muntu loyo oyikuthi uyi-leader yenkonzo, umprofeti wenkonzo noma umfundisi wenkonzo. By so doing ke batla mmamela o tlo kgona fumana thuso. Mara ha ile gore ungena into uhamba inyanga, uhamba umprofeti, uhamba bani, but lo muntu lo mhambayo awu respect i-anointing eyikuthi bekiwe kuyi, awukho la uzoyakhona. Let me just set an example about inkonzo yasepostoli. Inkonzo zamaZion neinkonzo zasepostoli abantu bayazingena but azithuthuki, aziphezulu, akunanto eshintshayo. Kuyimanje I've recently closed inkonzo yase Orange Farm nenkonzo yase Everton. Ngoba bekuyinkonzo yepostoli, bekuyinkonzo yomoya. Inkonzo zomoya abantu abazirespect. And uma bangazirespect, that's why you'll get ukuthi abantu abangena inkonzo zaseZion 90% abayahlupheka. It is only, I think, 5% or 3% abantu abanemali. And uma kunjalo, inkinga vele nje bekutheni wena uma umuntu uthi hayi naka nnete ya modimo nna ke hloka hore bophelo ba ka bo phethe ntho tsa ka di etsahale. If kuleyo nkonzo leyo awu support, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Kuzoba nzima ukuthi izinto zenzeke. So I'm trying to say to you, njengoba kuyimanje umuntu othi mina nginenkinga zamaloan, mina nginenkinga zeimali, mina ngiyasokola, mina ngenza ini, mina ngenzi ini. Mamela ngwaneso, mamela, if unenkinga ngamaloan akho angapheli, please get cash loans oil, but you need to know that it is something of which iya importer ngibuye nayo rightly from Ezim. Into yokuthi ngifundiswe Ezim, uzosizwa ngayo la ekhaya, impilo yakho ikwazi ukuthi ishintshe, impilo yakho ikwazi ukuthi iye phambili. This Dr. Oti ikhehla lamakhehla, amanamba avela ku screen. Ngicela ukuthusa ngwaneso. Consultation fee it is 1000 rand, ngise 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Siyabonga. Thank you.